Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing with the iPhone 12. So I already unboxed this last night, but the video didn't go so well. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna unbox this for you, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to migrate files or migrate your apps from your old phone to your new phone. So first we're gonna unbox this. So this is the iPhone 12 and I got it in a color gold. So yeah, that's how it looks like. It's the logo in here. It says Apple and it says iPhone on the other side, iPhone on the other side, and Apple on the other side. So as you can see, it's very thin compared to the old iPhone boxes. So let's open it. And as you can see, that's the phone. Like what I said, I already unboxed it last night, and of course opened it and checked it, but then I realized that the video was not recorded, so I just have to unbox this again for you and do the migration later. Let's see. So this is the phone. This is, I got gold, so I'm sorry, it got a lot of fingerprints already, so I've been holding it. But the gold, the rims or whatever, right here on the side and around it is gold. The back part is like a subtle gold. It's not like really gold like the last iPhones. And yeah, and it has more of a square edge rather than a round edge. This is, by the way, the iPhone 12 Pro. And what comes in a box, okay, we're gonna put that. What comes in a box is only like a cable charger. There's no plug because Apple didn't want any plugs this year. So if you want plug yet or the adapter or something like that, you have to buy it separately, which doesn't make sense, right? And then there's something right in here. Let's see. Like papers and stuff, and the Apple logo, and of course this one that you can use for popping the SIM. It's like popping up a SIM card. So yeah, like that. So that's all inside your box. And I have the iPhone 10, so we're gonna go upstairs because my iPhone is over there. We're gonna migrate my stuff from my old iPhone to my new iPhone. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so both should be plugged in. This is my old phone. Maybe we should switch. There. So this is my new phone and this is my old phone. Okay, so gonna have Face ID. Okay, so that's unlocked. Wait, hold on, that's my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And so what's next? Aren't we supposed to back it up first? Or it's already backed up?
No, you're doing it like this. You don't need to back up.
So we don't need to back up. Okay, so
there. Hello.
Oh. And then swipe to open. And
there, see?
Okay, so let's say continue.
Okay. Now you have to catch that with on there.
Okay, so
scan.
I have to scan. Oh, there you go. And then you should enter your passcode. Okay, yeah. So enter the passcode. Okay, so after entering the passcode, sorry if it's a little dark. It's dark in here. If you can't see it, can't really see it. So now it's migrating. It says it may take a few minutes. That's how it is. So it says finish on new iPhone. Keep this iPhone near to the new iPhone while you transfer your information.
Okay, you want to do the Face ID now or later?
Let's do the Face ID now. So I'm done doing my Face ID. Okay, so Face ID is done. Let's continue. And transfer from iPhone. And there's also one that's, it says here, you want to transfer from iPhone, transfer directly. So this iPhone will be ready with your next data setting up in 20 to 25 minutes. Or this one, you can start using your iPhone in about 15 minutes and your data will download later over Wi-Fi. So we'll just do this. We'll just do the transfer from iPhone. And it will take up to 25 minutes. So we're going to be right back after everything is done transferring. Of course, you have to agree. Let's continue that. Keep your iPhone up to date. Continue. It's not continuing. It's not continuing.
Just wait.
There. And it says
Set up later. That's.
Oh, let's set up the wallet later.
Yeah.
Continue. Just set up your. You can set up your Apple Watch if you have one. I'll just set up mine later. And continue with Siri. Okay, just continue. And share audio recordings. Not now.
Not now.
Don't share. Okay, so now
Yeah,
it's starting to transfer the data.
That's it.
So it will take 20 to 25 minutes to transfer the data. And of course I will show you guys how it is, because we're gonna send this back to T-Mobile. This is a trade-in, so the value of this iPhone, the old iPhone X, would be what? 350?
250.
250? No way. And the new iPhone is
1,000.
okay. So we'll be right back, you guys. Okay. So transfer is complete. Your data has been transferred to your other iPhone, but this one's still loading. Before you trade in, give away, or sell this phone, you should completely erase it by going to the settings, choosing erase all content settings. Okay. Wait. There. And it's still migrating here. So I still have to wait until this is done. Now my files is here. From here to here. So I can take this out and then reset it to manufacturer reset, and you can use this phone now. There you go, guys. That's it. It's done. That's how you migrate your stuff from old phone to the new phone. Okay, thanks guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.